welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Delibia again. Hope you guys are doing fine. So today I brought you this very sumptuous tutorial. So if you're interested in knowing how I got my finger coils, then stay tuned. But first of all, if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and let's get into the tutorials. You begin. First of all, I washed my hair with shampoo and conditioner, and after that I went in to apply my coconut leave-in conditioner on my cool hair after using the towel, and then I went in with my coconut oil, and later on I went in with my Cantu leave-in conditioner cream. This one feels dry on my, it leaves my hair dry after applying the cream, so I can't really style it with this. I just apply it. And last but not the least, I'm using my organic fertilizer hair therapy treatment. It's a cream. It's like this inside, like cream white. So this is what I am using to do my finger coils. I really don't have any coil enhancing cream right now at home, and I didn't know I was going to do finger coils after washing my hair. I just tried one at the end of back of my hair and it really came out nicely, so I thought, why not try it? It will be good to know if my hair can really coil without any coil enhancing cream or gel. So next time if I have to let it try it again, I'll make sure I get those products that will really help me to get the coils and smoothness that I want. But for now I'll do with what I have at home right now, since I can't really shop. Today's Sunday. So yeah, so my hair is wet right now. I applied a little bit of water because it was already dry. So what I'll do is section my hair into little sections like so, where I want the twist to fall. I'm not using any comb to detangle. I'm just using my hands, my fingers. So I take a little bit of my cream and just apply it to the entire section and work my way through to the end. Make sure I apply it very well on the tips as well. And then I grab smaller sections and start coiling. I hope you guys can see. So this is a newly made section that I just did now. And yay, I'm finished. So yeah, this is the front, the side, the other side, and the back. So yeah, I hope you did enjoy the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up the video if you do love it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.